A very beautiful morning to all my lovely children. This is Monica ma'am signing in as your English teacher. So let's begin our today's virtual learning. Today we will be revising the poem Birds Talk from Unit 2 of your Marigold English Reader. So here we begin. Bird Talk is a poem written by Eileen Fisher. In this poem, the poet is talking about the two birds, Robin and Jay, who are sitting in the garden and talking to each other. The topic of discussion among them is human beings, the people that they can see from the branches of the tree. They are talking with each other that how the humans look so different from them. As in, we know that birds have feathers and wings, but humans don't have this. Birds can sit on branches, poles, and wires, as well as they can fly. But human beings cannot do all these things. We cannot sit on the wires. Now, if we talk about the food items that the birds eat and the humans eat are totally different. These two birds, that is Robin and the Jay, they are also talking about the food that they eat and the food items that a human being eat. The birds eat grains and human beings eat fruits, vegetables, etc. So these two birds are talking about the different features of human beings as well as their own features. These two birds are also boasting about their own self as they believe that humans look very funny because they cannot do those activities that birds can do. So this is the summary of the poem Birds Talk. Today's homework will be based on the workbook exercises that I will explain you now. Now open page number 18 of your English workbook. It's Unit 2, Bird Talk. Let's have a look at the word meanings that are given here. The first word is robin. A small bird with red feathers on its chest. Second word is jay. A bird with blue feathers in the wings or tail. Third word is feathers, soft light parts covering a bird's body. The fourth word is beetle, a black insect with a hard covering on its back. Fifth word is wire, a metal string. And the last is funny, having fun. So these are the word meanings. Now just below that you can see a question which is based on sentence framing. In this question, you have to use these words in sentences of your own. The words are same: robin, jay, feathers, beetle, wire and funny. These are the words that we have already done in the word meanings over here. Make simple and short sentences with the given words. Begin the sentence with a capital letter and end with a full stop. Next question is given on page number 19. In this, you have to identify the birds by their head and write down their names in the blanks. So here the picture of 6 birds is given. You have to identify them and write down their names here in the given space. So this is your homework for today. Do it in your workbook. We'll meet you tomorrow. Till then, thank you. Take care and bye-bye.